Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start immediately by measuring ingredients accurately. 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 TSB baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Next, whisk 1 egg with 3/4 cup milk and 2 tablespoon melted butter. Fold into dry mix until just combined. Avoid overmixing to prevent tough pancakes. Once combined, let batter rest for about 10 minutes to hydrate the flour and trap air. Meanwhile, preheat a skillet to medium and lightly oil so pancakes release easily. You now focus on controlled cooking for consistent texture and color. Spoon about 1/4 cup batter per pancake onto the preheated skillet, space them apart. Cook until the edges look set and bubbles form on the surface, roughly 2 to 3 minutes, then flip once. This seals the interior. If pancakes brown too fast, lower to medium-low and continue. For thicker, fluffier results, cover the pan for 30–60 seconds after flipping to finish through, without burning the outside. You finish by transferring cooked pancakes to a low oven 9100 degrees C to keep them warm without drying. Serve straight away with butter, syrup, or fruit so they taste their freshest. If a batch shows problems, use this single troubleshooting tip. If centers are raw after browning, lower the heat and finish covered for short bursts. If batter seems too thick, stir in 1 tablespoon milk at a time until it pours easily. Make sure to adjust heat rather than overcooking the surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.